But be quick. The light, bright magic doesn't last long at the top of the world. Svalbard Archipelago. This is inside the Arctic Circle and as far north as Norway gets. It's the kind of place most people think of when they hear Arctic. Svalbard is a cluster of extraordinary islands and icebergs full of life. Female walrus have migrated north, preferring to chase the thick ice that they love so much. But the males stay here and look for places to hang out for summer. Kicking back in Svalbard has its disadvantages for the males. They're exposed to predators. Polar bears.